Well, you see this up here. This is my accounting qualification. And I just got this in the mail, and this says that I have been certified as a chartered accountant and a member for 25 years. Wow, I'm getting old. But it got me thinking. Got me thinking about why. Why am I here? Why am I doing it? What drove me? Now, I was good at art at school. I was not really a typical accountant. I had friends. I could make a joke and some people would laugh. I mean, these are not your typical traits of accountants. But my dad was a small business owner. He had a trade business, he had some retail businesses, and he was the one that always said, look, get a profession. So I studied law and I studied accounting. And the reason that I went down the path of accounting is that I really saw the struggles that he and some of his business friends were having. They were good at what they did. They were the best. In the trade business, they were the best. And any time, whether it was good times or it was tight times, they got plenty of work because they were so good. But they couldn't elevate their business. They couldn't take it to the next level because they didn't have the skills. And that was a key driver for me. Now, unfortunately, I didn't have the skills to help him in his working lifetime. And, he's now retired and that's great, but he doesn't have as much to show for it as he should, given the amount of effort and given what he had, how much he worked in his business. And, I look at that today and it's sad that I couldn't help him, but I didn't have the experience. It took me 15 of those 25 years to get enough information to really understand how to drive these businesses forward, to really understand how to analyze and the things that you need to do. And it was really about 10 or so years ago when the penny dropped. I was working in operations consulting and I realized that it's not enough to just do the finances. You've got to bring the operations and the finances together. And that's when I started developing a framework, which we now use today, and it's super, super effective. And, I just sort of was really thinking about what I've done in my career. It made me really proud that, you can have such an impact. And it made me really think that, it's the right thing to be doing. And look, if you know people that are struggling in their businesses, get them some help because it can really make a huge difference. So I'm sure you're a fantastic operator. I'm sure that you're the best quality in your area, but it's not the same as understanding how to run a business and how to elevate your business and how to get you to that next level. So, if you're looking for some help, I'm here. Please reach out to me. Thanks.